Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're at Dudley Zoo and Castle and we're going to take you for a little walk around. We hope you enjoy yourselves with us. It's a beautiful day today. It's important when you come here, make sure you wash your hands. You got some beautiful camels. A nice area for the kids to play as well. Train and go right to the top, up to the castle. Look at the nice flamingos. It's gonna park here somewhere. Jump off that train, come over here. It's some really nice views. The whole of Dudley. You got the chairs here. Thank you.
You are
cheers, mate. Thank you. Coming down, you can see all the zoo and the park. It's really nice. Yeah, you can see the whole of Dudley across there. Oh yeah. Can we go back on these?
Yeah, you just go out the exit, yep. Come back through the entrance.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Go back up on here as well. Going up is not as bad as going down, especially if you're scared of heights like me. Thank you very much. Take a walk up to one of the towers. This is the entrance to the tower. Let's get to the top. You see the old cannons and the whole zoo and all of Dudley from here. From here you can see the whole of the courtyard. Push the way back down. When you come back down, you got a cafe and a tea room in there. And you can buy slush over there as well. And you can check out the rest of the castle. Tigers, the Arctic fox. No leopard up there. You can see it on top of there. And beautiful giraffes. It's like a giant rabbit on its chin. This beautiful peacock, mashallah. There's a fun fair for the kids as well. £10 please.
There you go, boss.
Thank you very much, sir. How are you, alright? You even got dodgem cars. Had a wonderful time at the zoo. You should come and visit too. It's a nice place. It's starting to rain now, so we're gonna go.